Hello friends, how are you? Welcome again on my channel Reactjs. Myself Ajay. Hope you all are doing good. Friends, very first I will say stay home, stay safe and do coding because coding is the best. Friends, in this video I will show you Reactjs routing working example. So friends, on my screen you can see the Reactjs application is working fine, and here you can also see two links, home and about us. So friends, very first I will say please watch the video till then, and also please subscribe my channel for latest React.js updates. And friends, now I'm going to click on those links. First, about us. So friends, look, I have clicked about link and about component data is showing. Also, you can see the route is changing. About and home. About home. So friends, have you seen routing is working fine into my React.js application? And friends, for this I have created two files, home.js and about.js. And friends, now I will show you those files into my React.js project. And friends, here is my React.js project, W projects, and here is my source folder. Friends, look, I have created two files, about and home, and here are those files, home.js, about.js. And friends, I will say don't worry about the code. I will share the code snippet link inside the video description, and you can get the code easily. And friends, if you will still have any kind of query, then you can comment on this video. Also, you can contact me via my blog. My blog name is therichpost.com. And friends, if you have any kind of query, suggestion, or requirement, then you can comment on this video. And then also, if you like it, then please click on like button. And friends, I will again say, please subscribe my channel because I am working hard and I want my channel and my blog hit. So thank you friends for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.